How to set up Google Search Console for Beginners 2023. Use these simple methods. Welcome to today's video on how you can set up Google Search Console for yourself and go over it in the easiest, most simplest way possible. I'm going to go over some simple methods that you can use to get started with it so that you can optimize your website for search engines and improve your online visibility. So let's get started. So first of all, what is a Google Search Console? First things first, let's start with the basics. What is Google Search Console? Simply put, Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google that helps you monitor and optimize your website's performance and search results. It provides valuable insights into how Google crawls and indexes your site and can help you identify any technical issue that may be hindering your site's visibility and its search results. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Google and write Google Search Console and head over to their website. So now that you know what Google Search Console is, let's go ahead and create an account for it. So the first step is to go to the website and sign in with your Google account. So to sign in with your Google account, all you're going to do, we're going to go ahead, click on Start Now. Okay, make sure you're signed in with your Google. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Google real quick and add all your details. And once your details have been added, you're going to be signed in and you're going to head straight on to the Google Search Console. Now, once you're over here, what's going to happen, like once you're probably logged in, you're going to need to verify your website by adding a verification code to your website's header or domain name system, which is your DNS settings. This may seem a bit intimidating, but Google provides step-by-step instructions on how to do this, and there are also plenty of online resources that can guide you through the process. So to do this, make sure that you have a proper website. Like let's say I have a WordPress website. Okay, now let's say I was to do a Google Search Console for this website. Now to do it for this website, obviously you're gonna see your domain. So this is my domain name. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this domain name. Okay, now once you copy this domain name, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna paste it here, and you're gonna make sure to remove the main protocol. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and there we go. And once that is done, you're gonna click on continue. And once you click on continue, what that's going to do, so here we go. Verify domain ownership via DNS record. Instruction for WordPress.com. Please start verification. You're just going to go ahead and click on start verification. And what it's going to do is it's going to verify everything. And like if it takes a lot of time, you can always verify it later. So yeah, all of those things are done. And once you're properly verified, as it says, it may take like a minute or two to verify you, because obviously verifying your DNS is not an easy job. So once like you're properly down and verified, what's gonna happen from there is you're gonna dive into how you're gonna use the main Google Search Console. So let's just wait for this to work out. And if it like takes a bit too long, what you can do is you can always just reload the page. Okay, add your domain back in. I'm gonna delete that, continue. Once you've done that, you can always just go ahead and verify it later if you want to. So yeah, once all that is done, all you're going to do, as I said, is you're going to dive into the main stuff when it comes to messing around with all of this. So yeah. Now, obviously, once all those things are done, you're going to get, the different properties over here. You can also like add more properties if you want to. And yeah, so one of the most useful features of Google Search Console is the Search Analytics Report, which basically provides basic data. So if we go on Google Search Console, let's go over here. So obviously the first thing is you can get optimized search analytics, which basically brings queries to your website and the user queries to your website, which is pretty cool. So it provides data on how your website is performing its search results. You can use this report to see which keywords are driving traffic to your website, as well as how many clicks and impressions your site is getting for each keyword. Another important feature in the index coverage report, which shows you how Google is indexing your site's pages. This report can help you identify any pages that are not being indexed, as well as any errors that may be preventing Google from indexing your pages. And obviously, as you can see, you can get your content on Google, submit sitemaps and individual URLs for crawling, review your index coverage, as I just discussed. You can get alerted on issues and fix your site in a jiffy, receive email alerts when Google identifies issues issues on your site, see which URLs are affected by these issues, and tell Google when you have fixed them. Then there's also simple methods to optimize your website for the search engine, because now that you know how to use Google search engine, let's go over some simple methods that you can use to optimize your website for, all those basic search engines that you have. So basically, make sure that your website's content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. This will help your website rank higher in search results. Next, use relevant keywords in your website's content, but avoid keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is when you use too many keywords in your content, which can hurt your website's ranking in search results. Instead, focus on using keywords naturally and in a way that makes sense for your content. Finally, make sure that your website is mobile friendly, with more and more people using their mobile devices to browse the web. Having a mobile friendly website is essential for improving your online visibility. Now, that's basically it when it comes to, your Google Search Console and optimizing it and, working around with it. Basically, I hope that you found this video extremely helpful, because as you saw, we saw all the different performance search engines and all the different performance tactics, the analytics when it comes to your Google Search Console. You can also get console training down here if you want to, and there are tons and tons of other usable videos. Then there's also the optimization and enhancing. First of all, you can use the AMP, which is the monitoring, testing, and tracking your AMP pages with Search Console tools and reports. There's the mobile usability. As I told you, test and improve your site's mobile usability with customized reports. Then there's your rich results, where you get your recipes, jobs, or other structured data, which can appear as rich results on Google search. Monitor and improve them using Search Console reports, and much, much more. So, again, remember, Google Search Console is a powerful tool that can help you improve your website's visibility and search results, so make sure to use it wisely and to its full potential. So that's about all there is when it comes to discussing Google Search Console. That is how you're going to set it up and how you're going to make it viable and usable for yourself when it comes to your Search Console tools. So again, if you were to go over it, all you need to do is you're going to come to the main page, click on Start Now. Once you go on the Start Now section, just head in to the main diagram, and over there you're basically going to add a property. That property is going to be your website. Now you could use a DNS or a URL, whatever pleases you, and once you add that, verify your site. Once you verify your site, from there on out, it's going to be fully set it up, and you can use it to basically optimize your analytics, get your content, get your alerts, understand your Google search pages. You have different trainings and much, much more. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's the overview. If you enjoyed this video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any issues related to this video, please let me know that as well, and I'm going to fix it for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.